Welcome to this explainer. Behind every single trade you make lies Wall Street's invisible $100 trillion engine room.
We're talking $3.7 quadrillion processed annually. That literally dwarfs the global economy, all handled by one entity.
Meet the DTCC. They're Wall Street's hidden backbone, clearing almost every trade and safeguarding a massive $100 trillion.
But you know, their old system relies on slow paper. Now, they're upgrading to instant, all-at-once digital settlement. And this isn't just theory. The CEO himself actually stated tokenization will completely revolutionize how these markets operate. They're basically giving static assets a digital brain, right? Fusing ownership data directly with automated smart contracts.
We are already seeing this tested in real time on the Canton network by some absolutely massive institutions.
This heavyweight group recently nailed the first instant cross-border transfer of national debt, moving assets seamlessly 24/7. Now, while Wall Street tests the waters, stablecoins are already doing the heavy lifting over in crypto.
Get this, an estimated $120 billion in stablecoin collateral is sitting directly in U.S. Treasuries.
So traditional government debt is actually deeply intertwined with these digital assets on a massive scale. The timeline is officially locked in. The DTCC's full tokenization service rollout is set for 2026.
This massive upgrade is opening doors for crypto natives, like Ripple Prime, to enter Wall Street's inner circle.
In fact, a DTCC patent details using XRP as a fast bridge asset to instantly connect different currencies.
Simultaneously, Evernorth is putting idle crypto to work, committing 400 million XRP to institutional lending pools.
This totally transforms XRP from a simple transfer tool into productive capital, generating real value for institutions.
And Ripple isn't alone here. Other compliant networks are rapidly plugging into this modern financial infrastructure too.
Ultimately, we're building a totally new paradigm of transparent, instant liquidity, leaving that clunky old world behind.
Wall Street's $100 trillion engine is officially upgrading. So, is the global financial system finally ready to abandon paper?